Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today, I'm just going to make a fun spiral. As usual, the shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. I also have the shirt turned inside out. I'm going to spiral the shirt with a fork and hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. I mentioned that this was going to be a fun spiral. That's because I just made color swatches, so I have a whole bunch of really small amounts of dye that I want to use on a shirt. So I'm going to make a couple just fun shirts with the dye. I'll list the dye colors that I used down below in the description for the video. To start, I'm going to go ahead and use a washable marker and freehand the shape of a butterfly onto the shirt. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply dye to the butterfly and the outside of the butterfly on the front side of the shirt. When I turn the shirt over, I'm going to use a variety of blues, aquas, and greens on the back side. And I'm going to apply the dye this time in pie shapes. Here again, the colors are listed in the description. After I finished dyeing the shirt, I set it aside and allowed it to process for 24 hours before I rinsed it out. I began rinsing in cold water to rinse out any of the soda ash in the shirt, gradually warmed the water up to hot to rinse out any of the dye that didn't bond with the shirt, and then I washed the shirt in my washing machine along with some Dharma's textile detergent and washed it in hot water. After the shirt was washed and dried, this is how it looks. So what do you guys think? This was just a fun way to use up some of that leftover dye, and I really like all the new colors. I dyed this shirt at the same time that I made the color swatches, so when I applied the dye to this shirt, I wasn't really exactly sure what the colors were going to look like. But I was pleasantly surprised. I really like all the new colors. I think some of my favorite colors on this shirt are the two blues that I used on the front, the brightest blue and the seashell blue from Pro Chemical and Dye. If you enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.